I'm here with Mustafa from Grambell.
Hello,
I
Jim.
would love to hear more about Grambell. I know it, but I think everyone will be interested to hear more about it.
Of course. So I usually say Grumble is allowing businesses to use omnichannel and AI, or in other words, the easiest way to use omnichannels and AI.
Awesome. So tell me, how does it work?
Uh, Let me tell you about myself, give you a bit background about me. So I've been working in an industry called the CPaaS, Communication Platform as a Service. And what we used to do as providers, we used to enable big companies like Emirates MBD, like Mashreq Bank, Visa, Google, Facebook, and all of those big giants to send you messages. So basically, every time you use your credit card, you use your debit card, you get a message, right? Every time you download a new app or you download WhatsApp, you get an OTP, right? And at that time, that used to be amazing. Why? Because those companies like Google, like WhatsApp, etc., they could come to one company, like Infobip or Cinch or Cineverse, companies I used to work with, and those companies will connect multiple operators. However, as you know, our customers are using now different type of channels, and they expect from us to communicate with them on the channels they use on daily basis, uh, which made a huge number of providers, right? To connect all those of providers is becoming a hustle. So, and also relying on one provider is costing a huge amount of money. So I saw big companies like Airbnb, Amazon, Google, Facebook build their own infrastructure where they connect multiple providers like Twilio, MessageBird, Infobip. And I was like, why we should reinvent the wheel? Like why each company is going and building their own infrastructure? Why we shouldn't have maybe all the channels, all the providers in one place? You know,
Yeah.
because if you think about it from a technical way, when connecting multiple providers, you increase the delivery rate, we call it, which means all the messages are delivered,
Yeah.
but also you reduce the cost. But to do so, you have to get a team of 10 developers maybe who will handle multiple APIs, multiple schemas. I mean, it's a hustle, right? So we thought like, okay, we do all the heavy lifting. We build all this deep tech and enable businesses to build their own cloud communication infrastructure with no code or no tech.
Yeah. And tell me, how does AI help with this?
So how does AI help? Till now, all the companies used to, let's say, use the channels of like WhatsApp, Instagram as a one
Yeah.
way of communications. So you push the message to your client, and that ends there. There's no CTA, no call to action. And with the hype of OpenAI, everybody wanted to use AI, right? And I was like, okay, if we are connecting all the channels, and if we are connecting all the aggregators, why we don't connect also multiple AI models?
Yeah.
So we started with multiple models where we enable businesses to build their own customized ChatGPT alike. So you get the data, feed it to the AI, and connect this data with WhatsApp. So in this case, if I send you a message on WhatsApp as a customer asking something about your business or about an ad that you just put on Instagram, the AI will actually answer from the data that you have provided to me. And it doesn't have to be in English or Arabic anymore. It can be in Russian, in any
How
language,
many
right?
languages do you
We
have?
have now around 190. It depends
Wow.
on the AI model that you are using. We have currently 7 AI models, but we are adding 1 or 2 models every month. So the big picture is to choose any AI model because we don't believe there is one AI model that is perfect,
Yes.
right? Each of them has the pros and cons. Do you want it on cloud? Do you want it on perm? What you are using it for? So the combination maybe of multiple AI models connected to WhatsApp or connected to your CRM, this is where we come in.
And how can a company avail of your service? Do you do like subscription plans? Do you do
So
customized? Do you have a few?
yeah. So the way how we see it is pay as you go, right?
Yeah.
we are a usage platform. The more you use, the more you pay. But we want to make it affordable. So if you are a startup just starting, you can start with $99. However, if you are a big enterprise, you need a dedicated team for support, dedicated
Yeah.
security. Then there are different subscription models. However, what what I believe that this technology should be accessible for every developer, for every business, for every startup. So we can, if you are using only the APIs, then you pay $0.005 per API. Or if you want to use the AI models, then you start with $99, and that should
Yeah.
be affordable for every company.
That's awesome. And can you please share with us your plans for the future for Grambell?
Yeah. So Grambell, we are a bit crazy, I can tell you. But we understand that we cannot solve all the problems immediately. So if you look at our history, we started with how to connect all providers in one place.
Yeah.
Providers like Twilio, Cinch, Infobip, Uniphonic, Sequence behind us in one place and enable businesses to use them, right? Then we said okay, how we can add AI to those providers. And then now we are trying to manage the payments because if you have multiple models, multiple channels, multiple aggregators, instead of you having 20 bills at a month, you just pay Grambell and Grambell can pay that. We have also other products like Verify, where we are trying to fix the undelivered OTPs. One of the big companies here in the region, which I will not mention the name of, have lost actually a lot of money
Yeah.
after a huge marketing campaign during GITEX. So they have done this marketing campaign, wanted people from all around the world coming to visit GITEX to download the app from India, from China, from Africa, which they have done. But the problem was that a big percentage out of those people deleted the app. And the reason they figured out that they never received the OTP, one-time password. So they tried once, twice,
Imagine.
3 times, and they deleted that.
Imagine the money spent on building the app,
exactly.
promoting it, and then getting people on the app, and they don't get the OTP.
Yeah, so Verify will fix that issue. We will do 20 attempts within 60 seconds on 15 different channels using 65 different aggregators. And you will be charged only per verified customer.
Yeah.
So you will never lose an OTP again. We have those kind of solutions that are focusing on, let's say, problems within the ecosystem.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah.
I'm super excited to follow your growth. You've been growing constantly.
Thank
I
you.
know you're present globally.
Thank you.
And you're a massive success. I love your stand here, your team. So
Welcome.
thanks for talking to us today.
Pleasure.
Wish you the best of luck.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks, guys.
Bye-bye.